3番線ホーム長本クラス通した駅発車いたします。ドア閉まります。
日の出しばらくないね。スタイリスバス、観光バスいるよ。
近くでいいんだけど、ないんだよ。全部めっちゃできるじゃん、これ。そこで写真撮れるの。でっけー。バナナ。
あ、
お。
まだだ。ここ行く。
Welcome to the flight deck of the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. The first flight occurred on December 15th, 2009. I remember waking up in the morning, I'm sitting having my coffee, and my wife comes out, and she sits down, and I look at her and I go, we're good to go. We start the engines up, did the chassis.
ガラスなんだ。
普通に乗っても見れない。
The first flight occurred on December 15th, 2009. I remember waking up in the morning, sitting having my coffee, and my wife comes out, and she sits down, and I look at her and I go,
自動で見れるができ
we
る。
start the engines up, do the taxi,
Cuba,
because the moment taxi was everywhere people were watching. We popped out at about 10,000 feet. In the windscreen was snow-capped Orbital Mountains. We never forget seeing snow-capped Orbital Mountains. There's not much we can say except for snow. Climbed to 15,000. 4 minutes in takeoff.
電源上
We popped out at about 10,000 feet.
多分、うん、そう
And the
だ
windscreen
から
was snow-capped Orbital Mountains.
12番。 うん 어? 구르구르구르마. 이거 진짜 좋아.
유일장. 유일장. 사진 볼까요?